Hey, it is Zach, and I'm here with my friend Michael Ramsey, the clinical director of We Grow here in Nashville. And you guys know that I had the hair grafting procedure. One of the best experiences of my entire life, Michael. Tell me a little bit about the business, how long you guys have been around, and all the services that you offer.
Yeah, so one of the things that separates us is we've been doing this for 30 years. We're the oldest, most experienced transplant center in the state of Tennessee, one of the oldest and largest in the nation. So we're excited about that.
Mic drop, one of the oldest and most experienced in the entire nation.
We have board-certified hair transplant surgeons that perform the procedure, which most of the consumers out there just assume everybody does the procedure that way, but it's often a technician.
That's absolutely wild to me.
It's illegal in 5 states at the present time.
Well, it should be illegal in 50. I'm just saying, why would you have a surgery with no doctor? You were telling me that you're one of 2 companies that offer the services that you have, whether it be the hair grafting procedure, the robotic procedure. Aside from having the most experienced doctors, you also have these procedures that's really setting you guys apart from everyone else.
Hair grafting is a better value. You get more hair for your money, you can cover bigger area. It's our most popular procedure by far. It's also a procedure we trademarked a number of years ago that we're kind of known for. So people have both of those options. So if a person comes in has a minimal amount of hair loss and wears their hair really short on the sides and back, we'll probably choose the ARTIS robotic system. It doesn't leave a little fine linear scar in the back of the head.
Fair enough.
But some people are fascinated with technology, robotics, AI. The robot has all of that cool stuff.
There's so many other procedures and options that you guys have too.
The PRP, the laser, and exosomes. Those are 3 non-surgical solutions to help with people that are.
I love the laser.
Yeah, right.
I love the laser. It's literally so quick and easy. You're in and out in like 30 minutes, and I literally take a nap every single time. Whether you have minor hair loss, extreme hair loss, there's options for everyone. Both men and women are more than welcome to come and figure out the solution to their problem.
Yeah, we have a lot of female patients that will come in because they've noticed shedding, or they just went to their doctor and their doctor's concerned about their hormones.
Yeah.
And so they'll do the laser or the PRP. Maybe they're not a candidate for the surgery, which is fine. Some women have more advanced hair loss and they need a little bit of both. So we'll do the transplant in combination with the PRP or the laser therapy. Yeah, I'd love to see you if you have a hair loss issue and want to just find out what your options are, just to learn, just reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.
Yeah, so if you want the best of what they do, give them a call right now at 615-376-6010. And maybe if you're fun, I might meet you there for your appointment.
That would be cool.